Good morning, everyone. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market behavior on 4/5/2021 and 5/5/2021. Previous prediction check. As I have predicted, BSE Sensex had a good rise during 26 to 29 for 2021 and it had fallen on 30 for 2021. Also, I have already predicted that market will fall on 3/5/2021 also. Next week, I am expecting another unexpected rise in BSE Sensex and Bank Nifty and other bank stocks. Despite the troublesome situation like corona rise and more lockdowns, I expect a rise. Possible price gainers on 4/5/2021 and 5/5/2021 are 1. Sun TV Network, 2. Reliance Infra, 3. Indusland Bank, 4. SBI, 5. Reliance Industries, 6. Kotak Mahindra Bank. This rise could well start during the end of 3/5/2021 also. Before the end of 3/5/2021, this rise may start and go on 4 and 5/5/2021. The gain of Bank Nifty has to be more than that of BSE Sensex. Check for 2023 to 2030. I checked the rise of Indian stock market during 2023 to 2030 on these 2 days, that is 4 5 4,5 2021 is equal to 2023 to 2030, which is 2 days is equal to 7 years. My concept, top astrological concept, past is equal to future. Reading of Indian stock market during 2023 to 2030 is starting here. Before we reach 2023, I would have checked 100 times like this and will find out what is going to happen during 2023 to 2030. When we reach 2023, we have to be sure of what is going to be the Indian share market behavior during 2023 to 2030. That is the aim. These checkings will be uploaded as a separate series. Those who wants to know it can follow the series. In order to explain the viewers that why I am checking like this, I am giving the following example. When Delhi farmers protest started on November, roughly at the end of November, on 1/12/2020, I have posted a prediction video that on or before 26/12/2020, these protests will come to an end. But on 26/12/2020, Delhi farmers' protest has not ended. After checking on 26/12/2020, I have predicted that the prevailing condition which existed on 26/12/2020 will only prevail up to 2022 November. That is, neither the new farm laws will be repealed nor the new farm laws will be implemented, nor farmers will end their protest. Now we are in May. Still only whatever I have predicted is only prevailing. That is, neither the new farm laws are repealed, nor the new farm laws are implemented. nor farmers had ended their protest. Why it happens like this? Why I am predicting like this? The thing is, from 1/12/2020, it is difficult for me to see actually what happens during November 2022. How to make too many guesses, presumptions. I may make a prediction, I may make a calculation, but I'm not sure it is 100% right. So, in order to make sure that what is going to happen during November 2020, I have invented a technique, that is seeing time through time, seeing time through an equivalent time. This time and that time is equivalent. So, from 1/12/2020, I am looking at November 2020 through 26/12/2020. It is seeing time through time. If we see like this, if I see like this, I'm more of a sure what is going to happen during November 2020. It is the same principle and philosophy for everything. This is the same for my checkings like this, so that we are more sure what is going to happen in the future. The point is, your tomorrow's events are telling something about your next birth and also about your previous births. You only have to know how to read your past and future from your one day's events. This is the concept of top astrology. Clarification. Mr. Shyas Jain and Mr. Satyamurthy had asked about when will the market reach its low in this downtrend period, which is April-May 2021. I will upload a separate video to answer this question. It is not an easy question. Request to the viewers. This is a new astrology system invented by me. I would like to bring the basics of this concept as a book. But when I approached the book publishers, they don't even want to hear me because I'm a new one. So, in order to establish my concept, I have started this YouTube channel and started to post predictions based on my top astrological concepts. Now I had proved that with a 70 to 80% success rate, predictions can be made using my top astrological system. The present number of subscribers and the number of views I am getting for my prediction videos are not enough to convince the book publishers. So I request the viewers to share my channel link and prediction video links in social media platforms so that the number of subscribers and number of views increase for my channel. Also, viewers can make their recommendations to astrology book publishers that this top astrology concept is worth enough to be published as a book. Disclaimer. From April 2020, I am reading and predicting many things in my YouTube channel. I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct out of 10 predictions made. Viewers are requested to kindly make a note of the above point. Thank you.